Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming basics and then act. Make sure your Blogger blog is published and DNS resolves to the correct domain, otherwise Search Console can't fetch. Once done, open Google Search Console and verify ownership if you haven't. Use an HTML tag or DNS-TXT record for fastest results. Next, locate the sitemap URL for Blogger. Try /sitemap. XML and /sitemap pages. XML for custom domains. Now you're ready to submit a sitemap and watch for immediate responses from Search Console. You now submit and test. Go to Search Console's Sitemap section, enter the sitemap path you confirmed, and hit Submit. Watch the live fetch result to confirm a 200 response. Once accepted, use URL inspection on a representative page and request indexing to trigger recrawl. Then, review coverage and crawl stats for errors such as 404, soft 404, or robots exclusions. Each explains why pages might not be fetched. If you see issues, address them before moving to final validation steps. Finish by validating responses and cleaning cache. Make sure robots, TXT and meta robots tags permit indexing. If you update them, resubmit the sitemap so Search Console refetches. Clear any CDN or server cache that might serve stale or blocked responses, and verify the sitemap returns HTTP 200 with correct content type and reasonable size. If problems persist, use the live test in Search Console to inspect server response headers and body. This single test often reveals a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.